Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. I decided to do a get ready with me video today. I was gonna talk through it, but my neighbor's dog, listen to this. Yeah, my neighbors and their dogs. I mean, what can you do? But anyway, I'm about to go to work and normally I don't fix my hair. I don't put on makeup because I'm on radio. But I did this look on a Monday and I got a bunch of DMs over on my Instagram to please do a tutorial for the hair and the makeup. So I figured, let's do it. You can really do this look in just a couple of minutes. So first we're gonna part our hair, pigtail one side, and then start braiding the other. So this is just a French braid, I think it's called. So all you're gonna do is basically braid your hair and then as you go, add more hair to each of the segments. So you're just gonna continue to braid your hair, adding segments as you go. Now I'm only doing this for the front part of my hair and you're gonna see in just a bit that I'm gonna stop adding and then I'm just gonna braid all the way down. So again, just adding segments as you go, and then when you get towards the middle of the braid, you're gonna stop adding and just braid it all the way down. It's a little hard to explain, but hopefully you guys get the gist of it by watching this video. So then secure it with an elastic and then work on the other side. Oh, my eye bags are real. The struggle is real, guys. So again, braiding and adding as I go, all the way down, and then securing it with an elastic as well. That is a look right there. All right, now we're going to loosen up the braids. I don't want it too tight and too neat. I kind of want it just a little bit messy, a little bit effortless. I promise you guys this hairstyle takes like less than 5 minutes. I can do it in 3 minutes. So take out the two elastics and then just lazily twist and bun your hair into a low bun, which is what I'm doing here, and then just securing it with an elastic. There you guys go. Told you, very easy, very, very fun hairstyle. Now we're gonna move on to makeup. I'm gonna start things off with, of course, my Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in medium. I love this as a base. I normally do like 8 drops for my whole face, but I kind of got carried away today for this one. I don't know why. Maybe because I just watched Black Panther and Wakanda Forever. Lol. Okay, so now just blend everything with my fingers. You guys are gonna notice that for my makeup for this particular day, I didn't really use brushes. I did my makeup with my hands. I love using my hands for sort of simple, barely there makeup. Now I'm gonna move on to concealer. I love this one. It's by FENTY. It's the Matchstick in Bamboo. It's a pretty high coverage but easy to blend concealer. I'm just gonna use it for some of my problem spots. I just finished that time of the month, so the spots are real, guys. Spots are real. And then, also by FENTY, I'm gonna use the Matchstick in Mocha to bronze up my pale face and give me dimension, because right now I'm looking quite potato-esque. So just putting some lines through, and then again, I'm gonna use my fingers and blend it all. I love using cream products for barely there makeup looks because I think that they look a lot more natural. And if I don't need to use a brush and just use clean hands, let me emphasize clean hands please, then I'm gonna do it. I love putting makeup with my hands. It's fun. Sort of like finger painting. Okay, now we're gonna move on to blush. I've had this blush forever, but I just started using it again and it's gorgeous. It's a peachy pink blush from Makeup Forever. It's cream blush, lasts all day, looks very, very natural. All over my cheeks. And then I'm gonna move on to my Glossier Stretch Concealer, of course. Just under the bags, but let's face it, them bags are gonna be on forever. Lol, sad times. And then I'm gonna set it with my Makeup Forever HD Translucent Powder. Don't want that concealer going anywhere. And then this highlighter, also by FENTY. It's in the shade Trippin. This is the Matchstick Trio. I'm just gonna put that on the tops of my cheeks for a little bit of a glow. It's a peachy highlighter, which I like because it blends in with the blush and looks a lot more natural. Then to set my face, I'm going to use the Glossier Wowder in light medium. Again, this is a powder that does not cake. It's an insanely good powder. It mattifies, but you still have a glow. It's magic. Now we're going to move on to brows. I'm going to use the Sephora Retractable Brow Pencil in Midnight Brown. I got this in Malaysia. You can order it on Sephora Philippines. I'll leave a link for you guys. Again, standard for me. You guys already know how I do my brows. So yeah, just going to fill it in with the pencil. Brush it up as I go. Extend the tail because I've got really short, dense brows. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in Deep Brown. This is my holy grail brow mascara. I recently got the Glossier Boy Brow though, so I'm going to give that a go, see if it matches. Because the Maybelline one is so cheap and it's really good, guys. It really does add fibers. So I'm just going to do the other brow. Same exact thing. Extend my brow, fill it in, use the mascara, the whole shebang. Last, we're gonna do mascara, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes with my Shuemura lash curler. And oh yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna put some of that highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. Now we're gonna move on to mascara. Got this in Japan, love it. It's the Heroine Make Volume and Curl Mascara. Very waterproof, so you will need sort of like a waterproof makeup remover to take it off. But again, it just makes my lashes super long and curly and lovely. And yeah, that's about it. I don't put lipstick when I go to work. I just use lip balm. I'm on radio, so nobody really has to see me. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!